Lucky I got my water shoes. So this is what we're running in. Not really running. I don't feel like breaking an ankle. It was way worse back there, but I honestly couldn't recall because I probably would have fallen over. I had to concentrate very hard. Right, so we will see if I do this twice when I get to the end. Epic as far out. PC, this is for the gram. See you at the end. I literally don't even know if I'm going the right way. This is so freaking awesome. Adventure race running for sure right now. Proper off-road. Really hope I'm on the right track. I didn't see another track. I guess we'll see. This is absolutely epic. So freaking cool. Hopefully see you at the end. I've had a few universal don't be a dumbass, so I'm not sure I'll do this twice, but we'll just see what happens. Listening these days. See you on the flip side. I got nothing to prove, just that this is freaking awesome. Muddy as hell, rooty as hell, so much fun. Gotta be careful. Super muddy. Have to beat that out. Gleamin' epic. Wonder when we can actually run. Feel like I'm hunting rabbits. My kids would be complaining so much of me right now if they were with me. Right, I'm going to take all this in now. Kudos to everyone doing this. See you at the end, hopefully. Jesus. And this is the downhill. It's pretty awesome, to be fair. One with nature. Ooh. I know I could do this loop again, but I know I'll probably hate it. So I think one loop is good, and then come back next year. Boom. How stunning is this? Like, wowza. So this is also the running spot.